Hello YouTube, this is North Tower 1 here, reporting this time from Heath, at the original home of Excel Academy. This is a 10-year video mark, which will go live on November the 7th of this year, in honor of Excel. This building right here was the Excel school building back in 1999 or 1995. Yes, this is part of my school's history. This building right here, you're looking at right here, was the Excel building from 1995 to 2001. And when they moved into Jacktown building, this is where they were. As you see, this is the school that Excel was at. Now, I'm not going to go in because I'm not going to get in trouble. I'm not here filming a train this morning in Heath. But, yeah, just a little bit of a historical lesson for all you Excel Academy students and my subscribers. This building right here was originally Excel Academy. This is looking over towards Southgate Shopping Center. And if you go down there and around, that's where Excel was. And here's their school right here. Like I said, this has been a 10-year long process of getting my ass up here to film at Excel. Over here is where an old restaurant used to be. It was a car dealership also. There's my car over there at the oil change place. Yeah, for those who are wondering who are Excel Eagles, back there to your back was where Excel Academy was. So, this is your 10-year remark video at the original home of Excel Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my content. More specifically, Tower 1 out.